You know, fellas, here we go. Something from Parrot Dog, New Zealand company. West Coast IPA. 7%, which is a pretty kick-ass percentage for me. Colin. Is it called Colin? Nice. Or is it called Nice? Nice one, Colin. Alright, we're going to give it a crack. My dad's name's Colin. And one of my great mates, his name's Colin too. Strange. Well, there you go, fellas. That's what a real West Coast IPA sort of looks like. Looks pretty bloody nice, I tell you. Woof. Cheers. Yum. Wow. Well made. Bloody beautiful creamy head. That's really nice. Yum. Well balanced. Pretty good malty backbone. You got a little bit of late hopping there. Using some decent hops. Bring on some real good tropical citrus, pineapple, all the yummy flavours. Bit of fairy floss, a bit of lemon sherbet. Wow, it's getting pretty deep. This is a good beer. New Zealanders, they make bloody good beers, some of them anyway. I was at my mate's Kiwi Steve's one day and his beer started popping. Overdid it. Anyway. Yeah, well, they were good beers. His dark beers were nice. I remember that. Oh, there's a beauty, Parrot Dog. You've done wonders. I was putting a smile on my dial. Lovely. That's what I needed. Dug a few holes for some new plants up the top. Done the blower again. Don't get a rest around here. Oh well. No rest for the wicked, so they reckon. Cheers. It's a great beer. Go out and grab a couple of Parrot Dogs. Grab this one. That's a ripper. Look at the head on that. Oh, it's just deluxe. Sticking to the side of the glass, and it's held its own. It's still 3/4 of an inch thick. Beautiful. That's what you want. Nice, beautiful head. Nothing better than a good bit of head. Alright, I'll leave you with that. That's getting silly. Cheers.